Milk tea is life. These are the words most Filipino milk tea lovers caption their photos on social media. Today, I am going to show you how to make simple and basic milk tea and making sure that all of its ingredients are available in your nearest sari-sari store and grocery store. Marazaw na adlaw sa isa tanan mga hikaya. This is Lord Jason Lee Antonio and welcome to Jason TV. Basically, milk tea is just a combination of black tea and milk. And today, most of the milk tea stations all over the Philippines are making its own flavors. Today, I will be using Taro. Nabili ko lang siya just last day sa Cagayan de Oro City. So for basic and simple milk tea, you can actually use brown sugar. Mag-aarni ba lang kayo ng brown sugar? Just combine the black tea and the milk and the brown sugar. There you have it. Yan yung pinaka-simple ng klase ng milk tea. But for this video, I will be making with flavor. Yung flavor na gagawin natin is yung sa taro. Today, I'm going to show you the ingredients and the materials in making the milk tea, the taro milk tea. First is of course, you need black tea. Ito yung resulta ng black tea kapag na boil na siya ng mainit na tubig. So kung wala kayong black tea sa mga sa bahay nyo, you can actually buy Lipton black tea sa mga sari-sari store or sa grocery store. Next is kailangan natin ng creamer or yung gatas. You can use the fresh milk, Nestle fresh milk. You can actually use this as the non-dairy cream. So kung walang available nito sa mga grocery store or sa mga sari-sari stores ninyo, you can actually use yung Coffee Mate ng Nescafe instead of this. But for me, I will recommend fresh milk kasi mas masarap siya. Next, of course, sinkers. You can actually use different types of sinkers. Merong black pearl, merong nata de coco, or coffee jelly. Kung walang available nito sa grocery stores ninyo, pwede kayong gagawa ng black pearl. Pero mataas na yung process. Bibili pa kayo ng tapioca starch, coloring na black, and then just combine all the ingredients with water, tapos i-boil nyo siya for 25 minutes at i-stay nyo siya for 20 minutes, so medyo mas matagal siya. So if you have available na mga sinkers sa mga grocery stores ninyo, you can actually buy this one, or pwede kayong bibili sa merkado ng mga color, may mga kulay na mga sinkers or sago, pwede yon. Pero kung wala, you can actually buy nata de coco as replacement for your black. Kailangan natin ng yellow, ice, para malamig yung milk tea natin. At syempre, para mas matamis yung milk tea natin, kailangan natin ng fructose. Yung fructose is just parang inarnibal lang siya na white sugar, or kung walang, or caramelized, parang caramelized white sugar. Yun lang yung fructose. And then of course, yung flavor natin na taro, no? I will be using the taro. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong flavor. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kinugay. Yung kinugay, I don't know kung anong English or Tagalog ng kinugay. Yung kinugay kasi is yun yung winter melon na flavor. Yun yung pinaka-famous na flavor ng mga milk tea, yung winter melon. Kinugay yung ginagamit niya. Tapos, winter melon is just similar with muscovado. Yung muscovado is just actually the same with brown sugar. The only difference between the two is that yung muscovado mas marami yung molasses niya kaysa sa brown sugar. You can also use brown sugar as replacement of the flavor na taro or matcha. I-arnibal nyo lang yung brown sugar. Now of course, yung pinaka-importante na gamit is yung shaker. Kung wala kayong shaker sa bahay nyo, pwede kayong gumamit ng tumbler para i-shake yung lahat ng ingredients. So sa shaker natin or sa tumbler, kung wala kayong shaker sa bahay, or plastic jar kung anong meron kayo dun sa bahay nyo, just put all the ingredients, no? First, ilagay natin yung black tea natin. You can use Lipton black tea, or you can use other types of tea kung anong gusto nyong tea. Pero mas masarap yung black tea. You can use green tea, jasmine tea, sakura tea, kung ano pa mga tea meron dyan. Pero I recommend black tea. Next is we're going to put the creamer. Yung creamer is yung fresh milk na binili ko sa tindahan. There you go. There's your fresh milk. Just a tip, huwag kayong gumamit ng evaporated milk. Kasi we've tried before using evaporated milk. Literal na nag-evaporate yung milk. Tumaas yung milk, bumaba yung tea. So di siya talaga nagmi-mix to each other. Or with each other. Now we are going to put some fructose. Ito yung nagpapatamis ng ating milk tea. Again, kung gagawa kayo nito sa bahay, mag-arniba lang kayo, magkakaramelize lang kayo ng white sugar. You can use this business idea to start your own milk tea business, pero kailangan talaga ng malaking capital. Next, of course, is our flavor. Again, kung wala kayong flavor, guys, you can use brown sugar. Mag-arniba lang kayo ng brown sugar. Tapos wag niyo nang lagyan ng fructose. Just add brown sugar na naka-arnibal. 1, 2. There you go. And then we are going to put some ice. Yung ice natin, nagtubig na siya. Just put plenty of ice in the shaker or sa tumbler nyo. And then just shake it well. And hanggang sa mawala yung mga particles or yung powder ng ating flavor. Then, dumami siya. Taro. It's so taro. And now we are going to prepare our glass for our milk tea. We are going to add our sinkers na black pearl. Again, kung wala kayong black pearl, you can use nata de coco or coffee jelly. Kung gusto nyo gumawa ng coffee jelly, just mix a sachet of unflavored clear na gelatin, tapos lagyan nyo ng coffee. That's it. Coffee jelly na yun. I-boil nyo lang, tapos just slice it in cubes. Ito na yung sinkers natin sa baso. Ilalagay na natin yung ating taro milk tea. Oops. And we need big straw kasi may mga pearl tayo. There you have it, guys. Your taro milk tea. Okay. So, for the moment of truth, I have here with me my beautiful girl. My beautiful crew, Ate Luing.
Yes.
Titikman niya yung mga ginawa nating nachos at saka yung milk tea. There you go. Yes, alright.
Let's eat.
There you go.
Dapat hindi may kuwan. May
Hala.
Pero namin.
Yes, naman ako.
hayang-hayang na.
Lami siya, in fairness. Nadugay lang siya o kaon, medyo nakuan siya. Nawala yan ka-crispy. Pero lami
Ayaw.
siya. Lami siya. Masarap. Sarap. Ang milk tea.
Ang milk tea.
First time, taro.
First time ever makakilaw. Na taro, bukit. Taro. Here comes the taro. Kaya tayo, pakita ko. Ano? Lami. Lami?
Lami. Lami.
Lami siya. Lami sa mga...
Lami sa line flavor, no?
Lami siya.
Mo siya something ubi.
Oo, may pagka-ubi
Oo.
ang isa. Mating mo ang mura may hamot ang isa ang flavor.
Oo, so.
Lami.
Ay!
Pasado karaza. Pasado karaza ang taro.
Pasado karaza ang karo. Ang manaw. Hoy, bastos ka. Butay, unod.
Sili. Hindi nakawad ako.
Ha?
Kamara sa'yo mabibila.
Tama kayo mo. Matangkis pa sa cake.
I hope daghan may nakatunan sa video and don't forget to subscribe.